Since December 14, 2022, our system ranks BOIL as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.908. In this period the stock has had a loss of -82.23%. This is an average return of -2.49% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for BOIL, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for BOIL ETF price on Wednesday moving between $6.15 and $7.09. The BOIL ETF price fell by -17.26% on the last day, Wednesday, February 1, 2023, from $7.59 to $6.28. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 15.28% from a day low at $6.15 to a day high of $7.09. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -36.95% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 41 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 84 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $527.62 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $140.50, and the lowest price was $6.15. Right now the price is 95.53%, or $134.22, below 52-week high and 99.15%, or $730.52, below all-time high November 14, 2018 where the price hit $736.80. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -68.34% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and 4.66%. The 12-month trend indicates a -29.12% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and 1,070.2%. This equals a price between $0 and $73.49 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for BOIL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The BOIL ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $8 and $17.35. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 13, 2022, and so far it has fallen -84.68%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 266 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 98 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 96 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for BOIL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved 94 cents between high and low, or 15.28%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 11.7%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, BOIL meets first resistance at $7.28. If you do not hold BOIL shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is BOIL ETF a buy? BOIL holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 2nd, we expect BOIL to open up $0.227 and start trading at $6.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember,